Hi, this is Yvonne, and the purpose of this little video is to show you how to publish your Visual Studio web applications in order to turn them in. Now, we are going to be using Azure as the cloud services, and it's going to be fairly easy for you because every student should have received published settings file that I emailed to you. So you just need to use those. Now understand that every time you turn another app in for this class, you're going to cover up the other one that you had previously published. So it's not like you have an entire account. Instead, you have a single ability to publish one application. So let's get started. You'll notice here I've just loaded the book app Future Value for Chapter 1. So after your app is complete, the first thing you need to do is build it. So I'm right-clicking and saying Build. This ensures that the application is ready for publish. And down here, I see that the build was successful. All right, so now I'm going to right-click again, and this time select Publish. And this is where you want to, basically, I have some things that I had done before, so we want to do it a little different. We want to say New, and it's going to be an IIS FTP. So then you want to click Import Profile and browse to where you stored that file that I emailed to you. So give me a second and I'll go down and get mine. It should say something like this. Okay, so now you're going to say Create Profile. A little slow there, but it came. And you can give it a new name if that's more helpful to you, but you can see the class name here, so that's probably as good as anything. So the next step is to click Edit, and we need to change this to HTTPS. It's a secure connection, just like that. And then probably go ahead and say Validate Connection, just to be sure the password, login, etc. that you loaded in works. Good. So if you should get that green check mark, that means you're good to go. So you want to click Save. And now you are ready to publish. Notice down here in the output window, you can see the publishing process taking place. And once it says it's successful, I've got the browser over here that took me right to the site where I published. So I could go ahead and check this little app I didn't actually write, but we can see if it's functioning here. I'll make it a little nicer percent. Number of years 10, calculate. Oh, it wants even numbers, I guess. And that tells me what the future value is. So everything looks to be working. Now this is the web address, and so when you turn in your assignment, you want to be sure and copy that URL, and I'll have further directions on icon under the assignment for how to turn in your web apps. Hope this was helpful. We will talk more in class. Thank you.